Tuk Prahok Khmer is truly the ultimate king of all steak sauce. Here's my all-time favorite sauce for hot butter pan and steak. Slice and roast 1 to 2 stalks of lemongrass and a tablespoon galunga. Then saute about 5 to 6 garlic cloves, jalapeno, sweet peppers, and some hot chili peppers. Smash the roasted ingredients together and keep it very chunky. Bring 1 cup water to a boil and add about 4 tablespoons prahok. My secret, I use 2 types of prahok. Strain any bones. Then add a tablespoon brown sugar, a tablespoon sugar, and take it off the stove. Add in lemongrass pepper mix, half tablespoon bichane, about a dozen fine shredded kaffir lime leaves. Then squeeze about 4 whole lemon and lime juice. I also added 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. At this point, adjust everything to your taste, sourness, and sweetness. Then add in Thai eggplants, optional slices of lemon or lime peels, cilantro, mince. Enjoy it with your favorite steak and meat.